Welcome back guys, here in Japan. I'm here standing in restaurant Sushi Tetsu. I had dinner here yesterday night and I had one dish which was cod marinated in kelp, and it was made by this amazing chef Yukio Hoshi, and he's going to show us now how to make it. Okay, so here we have a beautiful cod and Mr. Yukio had taken out the spine and has bled the fish already. So now it's time to fillet the fish. So Mr. Yukio is cleaning, is filleting the cod right here, but if you're at home, you want to make the same recipe, you could use like haddock, hake, pollock, any white fish. So this is actually the loin part, the thicker part, the thinner side right there. So he's changing knives now, Mr. Yukio Hoshi, and taking off the skin. And the great thing about the restaurant is that they use every single piece of the fish, so also the skin. They have a delicious dish with it. This is kelp, guys. This is dried kelp. It's a beautiful seaweed you can find in many places here in Japan, but also in other places around the globe. So moisturize the sheet. What the chef is going to do right now is that he makes like a fillet on the same height. So there are no bigger pieces, smaller pieces, or no higher ones. It's all on the same level. So one fillet, another fillet on a sheet of kelp, and then another sheet on top of it. And Chef Yukio is now just wrapping it into plastic. Please. Really firm. And he marinates it now into the fridge for one full day. And he's taking one out, which has already been there for 24 hours. So what you see is the kelp has been softened and the fish has absorbed the flavor of the kelp. So it's time for a taste, and it feels even a bit dry. You taste it. Just two ingredients, cod and kelp, and the flavor of this kelp, of this seaweed, has entered the flesh of the fish, and it's so in harmony. It's such a beautiful taste. The flavor is amazing. You really should taste it. If you have ever the opportunity to visit Japan, please go to Shiogama, to Sushi Tetsu. Thank you so much, Mr. Yukio Hoshi, who is the chef who made this. Please visit this restaurant. You won't regret. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them down in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon on another Fishy Friday. Bye bye.